This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for March 5th, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was up 0.17 points or 0.04% to 413.43. Total trade volume was up with 74,133 shares changing hands at a total value of 491 million real or over $123,300. On the main board, 3 stocks were up and 2 were down. Leading the market was Grand Twins International up 0.66% or 40 real to 6,100 real per share, followed by Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ, which was up 0.46% or 10 real to 2,170 real per share, and Declata Bank, which was also up 20 real to 7,340 real per share. On the downside, the biggest loser of the day was Phnom Penh Autonomous Port, down 1.39% or 200 real to 14,200 real per share, followed by Pestec Cambodia, which dropped 1.20% or 30 real to 2,460 real per share. The remaining 4 stocks on the main board remained flat. Over on the growth board, both DBD Engineering and JS Land were unchanged at 2,100 real and 3,060 real per share, respectively. Declata Bank once again recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 53,693 shares changing hands at a total value of 394.8 million real or over $99,000, about 72% of Wednesday's trade volume. MJQ Education recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 5,555 shares changing hands at a total value of 11.7 million real or $2,940, approximately 7% of March 5th's trade volume. In other market news, Declata Bank plc finalized the second tranche issuance for its subordinated bond subscription for qualified investors with a total amount of over $14 million. According to the bank's disclosure notice on the CSX, on March 3rd and 4th, Declata Bank successfully conducted the second tranche subscription for its subordinated bond. The first tranche collection was held on January 22nd, raising over $85.8 million. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD weakened to 4,011 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was down to 104.89. Looking at global commodities, oil prices steadied on Wednesday after hitting multi-month lows in the previous session, but remained under pressure as the market eyed plans by major producers to raise output in April, as well as US tariffs on Canada, Mexico, and China. Brent futures inched 6 cents up or 0.1% to 71.10 US dollars a barrel. US West Texas Intermediate crude dipped 24 cents or 0.4% to 68.02 US dollars. In the previous session, the contract settled at close to multi-month lows, weighed by concerns that the US tariffs and counter-tariffs by the affected countries will slow economic growth and reduce fuel demand. Gold erased earlier losses and held steady, helped by a weakening US dollar and safe haven demand as markets continue to track possible impacts of US President Donald Trump's fresh tariffs. Spot gold was little changed at $2,915.48 US dollars an ounce after rising nearly 1% on Tuesday, while US gold futures rose 0.2% to $2,926.20 US dollars. US stock futures rose early Wednesday after all 3 major averages suffered sharp losses for a second session. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 255 points or 0.6%. S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures each added about 0.73% and 0.93% respectively. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for March 5th.